Welcome to Experiencing the 3D-PT Difference. I'm Gaynor Milkey, and today I'm talking with Laura Lambeer, a physical therapist who has over 20 years of experience, as well as advanced training in applied functional science. And you're working on your fellowship as well in applied functional science.
Yes, I am.
Great. So today, Laura is going to talk to us about the difference between treating the hip based on kind of standard physical therapy practices versus what you do when you have the advanced training that comes with AFS, and then, of course, all the experience of working at 3DPT.
Thank you so much for the opportunity to share a little bit with you about my experience with AFS. Prior to AFS, all of my training and education led me to treat the hip directly, utilizing modalities to decrease pain and inflammation, and then using isolated straight plane exercises to increase range of motion strength around the hip. Now with AFS, I have learned to look at the body as a whole and identify areas of success that I can utilize those strengths to help the patient to not only compensate for a painful or weak hip joint, but also to indirectly activate the musculature around the hip without putting increased strain on it. I'm also learning to identify other areas of the body which may be placing increased strain on the hip due to restrictions in motion or inefficient movement patterns, and then help the patient improve their hip function by reducing those restrictions and improving their movement overall. It's almost embarrassing to say that I spent so many decades of my career ignoring how little impact a stiff neck has on the hip. But I've been really thankful now through 3DPT and the Gray Institute to be learning how to utilize those tools to help more people live a better quality of life with less pain.
That's wonderful. All of that training really does have an impact on patients. I know I've had 2 hip surgeries, and what you're saying is absolutely true. It's amazing how it all connects together. So thank you very much, and we hope you enjoyed this episode of Experiencing the 3DPT Difference. If you feel that you could benefit from physical therapy, take action today. Experience the 3DPT difference by contacting us at the number on the screen for a free consultation.